Alright, so basically MGB is getting worked on
for the first time in a year.
It's not been a year, but basically we gotta get this off the lift to get a surprise car on the lift. So the parts we gotta put on the car are the inner seal, which is gonna just wedge in between these, and we have the outer rocker panel, which is gonna also wedge in between that. And we got these beautiful aftermarket parts from Moss Motors. Shout out to those guys for making this happen, because it needs to happen. So we're finally getting it done, and yeah, we're gonna install these two parts. We've already installed the castle and the castle brace, and then after we install these two parts, we could put the lower joint and jack points on, and then we'll be able to roll this out of the shop for a later video
and blow it up.
And then special car coming in, so stay tuned for that.
Now we're gonna prep the panels.
So now we're gonna spray weld through primer on all the raw exposed metal, so when we weld it, it'll be nice and clean and not rust.
We don't have a hook. Thank you. Maybe if the other people who were supposed to be helping me were helping me. There we go.
Okay. Holy.
Make sure this goes in. Make sure this goes in. Okay, and just hold it there and go up and don't.
You want it flush with the top or what?
Just hold on. Don't freak with it.
Don't mess with it,
I'm a freak, just let me know.
Let's mock it up.
That piece is not coming anywhere near the thing until this thing is welded on. Someone wants to get me a Sharpie.
There's no silver Sharpie. Oh, there's another.
POV, you're getting the Sharpie. It's a little high.
Are you gonna explain what you're doing right now?
I'm marking the spot weld.
What does that mean?
It means I'm gonna weld it later.
How do you do that?
With a welder.
Okay, so we got the what is this called? The
Inner seal.
All right, so we got the inner sill here. We got vice grips to hold it down, and we got this wood thing, and we're just gonna drill all the holes we knocked up. Yeah, so I'm gonna drill the holes.
All right.
Let's go.
Damn. Oh, oh.
Okay, so I finished drilling out all the holes.
Oh, you finished?
I did. I just.
Oh my God.
Okay, so I finished drilling out all the holes, and now we're gonna put it in, and then weld it in. So just mess up this side. God.
All right, so now it's all self-tapped back in. All the holes are drilled to be spot welded. Now we're gonna tack it and spot weld it in, and then we'll be on to putting in the rocker. So stay tuned. back off, it'll run a little better. There we go. All these welds.
Let's check on these guys. What's going on, team?
Just being weighed for a minute.
I really think that's the only way that it'll sit in there. Okay. Gonna put some self-tappers in now. I'm gonna start over here, work my way throughout the panel. I'm just trying to get it on so that we don't need the clamps. I'm gonna work this flange with my hammer, and then we'll put the door on. Okay, we're gonna put the door on now. Here, Brock, if you'll grab that other end. Here, Brock, if you wanna hop in the car. And then Brandon can grab the door.
I got it. I'm on.
You got a screwdriver, yeah. Crazy giant gap.
How are you gonna fix that?
I'm gonna scoot it up more. That honestly might be the raise that we needed. No.
That's pretty good.
Is that pretty good? Okay, Brandon, I need you to hold this right here.
Yep.
Really, really hard.
Let's see. Yeah.
And it clears.
Door shuts it like.
It clears the jam just fine. I think that's pretty good. Okay, while we're waiting for them to be done, I'm gonna prep these cross members that go up under the car. Okay, Brandon. So I'm gonna have you cut spot welds all throughout here.
How many?
I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna do them about every 3 inches. You wanna make sure it's gonna cut not too high, because if it's doing that, you don't want that. You don't want that. You want it to be right about there. So you're just gonna drill it. Honestly, you can just kind of push in, because it's on a spring. And then you'll feel it kind of pop in, and then you're done. And then I'll come in here and backfeed this up with weld. So just do all these. Shouldn't be too hard, shouldn't take you too long, but it's good, honest work.
Okay, so last step in completely installing the rocker panel is the A-pillar welds. So we need to spot weld these connecting joints, and I think that'll be it. So there's 3 on the inside, 3 in the middle, and 3 on the back. And then there's also these connecting pieces, flanges, that we have to weld these flanges up too. And then we should be good. Alright, so all 3 points of the A-pillar are connected, and this little flange is also welded in. So now we're all done.
Honestly, yeah, I'll have to make a scab plate. Okay, I can work with that. It's fine.
This is the final piece to finish up our rocker panel section on the MGB. This is the cross member. When I have this fully welded up, it's gonna sit right up in here, just like this one. But first, I gotta weld in our scad piece so that we can fit it up in here. That's a decent. Got our cross member welded up. So come here. We gotta get our scad piece right here up into this metal so that these two can mate up. So, oh, money. So we got it right here. So we'll need to put some self-tappers right here. And then we can fill up our welds. We get this baby off the lift. Oh my gosh.
What is it? Come on. You like the camera?
Sweet.
Okay, Ben finished welding up underneath here on the, what is it called, the cross member. And so we're gonna finish up these welds down in here, and then it should be good to take out, I think. Wow. So watch me do this. This is like my first time welding ever, so.
Lay epic style.
Yeah. Hopefully these don't suck. Be embarrassing.
Everything's welded up, so we're gonna put some self-etching primer on all of our bare metal so we don't have it rust while it's outside. Did you get that orange hammer? Here's right side.
Yeah. I wonder why we had a short so long.
Alright, can you record this for me, please? Sorry. My button away. Let me cut the hood.
Is your foot on or off the gas?
Off.
Put your foot all the way on it.
Okay.
Now try. There you go. Stop.
Basically, a bunch of mice chewed up my stuff. So I'm replacing it.
It's on fire. Grab it here.
Is it okay?
Did you put
No, it's still there.
might have been a hair too much.
Well, it started for a second, and then it blew up. Something hit me in the face. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's not getting fuel.
Fuel pump's on, I hear it. Put some in the car. Do we have any gas?
No.
That was good.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Leave a comment down below
Hit the bell.
and a comment down below.
That's too hard.
No, it's not.
Go away. Go away.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Red Dirt Rodz Jr. Check it out.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more projects.
Let's make magic.